Ano, naka-ready na yung ating pang-shabu. Ready na yung pang-shabu natin. Ayan. Shabu kami ngayong gabi. Ayan ang aming pang-shabu-shabu. Oh, ayan. Gumagawa si Mark ng shabu-shabu. Magsashabu kami. Ayan si Ricky. Oh, shabu-shabu kami. So, this is our Noche Buena, Medianoche. Ano bang tawag yan? Yan ang aming pang shabu-shabu. Ooh. This is for our shabu-shabu. Say Happy New Year! Magsashabu kami.
Happy New Year!
Ayan ang aking shabu. Shabu-shabu. That's your shabu-shabu?
This is my shabu-shabu.
That's your shabu-shabu, Sophia.
Ano?
Okay, Mark, oh. Kasi love ang shabu-shabu. Ikaw, Ricky, yung shabu mo, hindi mo pa kinakain. Yan. Ang aming shabu-shabu.
The first time I see the smoke going into the
Shabu-shabu at ang partner niya ay yakitori. Yummy, yummy yakitori too. Happy New Year everyone. Ayan ang aming medianoche. So nagshabu-shabu kami sa aming medianoche. So picture muna tayo bago matapos ang taon.
1, 2, 3.
Picture.
1, 2, 3.
Shabu-shabu. Actually, shabu-shabu is a Japanese hot spot. Hotpot pala, hotspot tuloy. O diba, yummy yummy. Sobrang yummy. Enjoy talaga kami.